With the recent release of the Infinix Hot 11s, let's see if this phone can perform well playing our favorite games. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box. My name is Elle and today it's time to game on with the Infinix Hot 11s. And of course, you guys know that I made a full review video on this phone that I will link right up here. But before everything else, let's go ahead and do a quick specs recap. So let's go. The Infinix Hot 11s runs on the MediaTek Helio G88 processor, and our unit has 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of storage. But there's also another variant that has 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of storage. Plus, it runs on the XOS 7.6 based off Android 11. And for display, it has a 6.78-inch Full HD Plus IPS LCD screen with a 90Hz refresh rate and 180Hz touch sampling rate. And it is packed with a 5000 mAh battery. Now, to test out this phone's gaming capabilities, let's go ahead and start off with League of Legends Wild Rift. I first played this on quality with 30 FPS, and so far the gameplay was pretty decent. No input lag or delays when it comes to casting abilities. Plus, colors and character visuals were rich and vibrant. And when I switched it up to performance with 60 FPS, that's when I realized that quality settings with 30 FPS wasn't as smooth as I thought. Playing this game on performance settings with 60 FPS made the character animation and movement look more fluid and smooth. Thanks to its 180Hz touch sampling rate, it was super easy to cast abilities and move my character around. Overall, I recommend playing Wild Rift on performance settings with 60 FPS for a smoother and enjoyable gameplay. Moving on to Call of Duty Mobile, the settings can go up to medium graphic quality and high frame rate. So I first played this on low graphic quality and medium frame rate. So far, okay naman yung gaming performance nito. Sobrang crisp and sharp pa rin ang display. Visuals are well detailed, and moving animation, reloading, and aiming down sights are smooth and lag-free. Same goes when I played this on medium graphic settings and high frame rate. So far, the only difference I noticed is that the animation on this setting is more seamless and smooth. Because of that, you feel like your character movement is a lot faster and shots are more accurate. Still no delay or lag on this one, so pwedeng-pwede for ranked games. So I do recommend playing this on medium graphic settings with high frame rate to help you win your games. Moving on to Asphalt 9, I played this on performance settings, and the overall gameplay was super smooth. Visuals were stunning as always, very detailed, and colors are super vibrant talaga. Kitang-kita mo yung dust and all the small detailed animation in the background. And the good thing is, hindi naapektuhan yung gaming performance niya kahit maraming background animation. And I didn't notice any lag or delay in game and cinematic transitions, so that's a winner. Next up, I changed the settings to high quality, and this time medyo may onting lag and frame drops na akong napansin. And some occasional stutters from time to time, but visuals are still good naman. Overall, I recommend playing Asphalt 9 on performance settings for a smooth and lag-free gameplay. Lastly, we have Genshin Impact. Its default settings is set to the lowest. But let's test this out on low settings with 30 FPS for a more balanced gameplay. So far, character movement and abilities are smooth with some occasional lag whenever you change between characters, and some stutters here and there, but it's still very playable. Moving on to medium settings with 30 FPS, I noticed that switching between characters is a lot smoother with some occasional frame drops while in battle. Movement and ability animation looks more fluid, and visuals are more detailed. Lastly, I switched it up to high settings with 30 FPS, and so far gameplay was a bit laggy. Frame drops and stutters were more obvious in battle, and even though the graphic quality improved, I'd rather go for playability than aesthetics on this one. So I recommend playing Genshin on either low or medium settings for a fun and enjoyable gameplay. And I noticed the device warmed up a bit, but it's nothing too serious. If you're here for the numbers, check out our benchmark scores. Overall, the Infinix Hot 11S proves to be a worthy budget gaming phone for fellow gamers out there looking for a new upgrade. Whether you play light games like Wild Rift to graphically intensive games like Genshin, this bang-for-the-buck smartphone has got you covered. All for the price of 6,990 pesos for the 4 gigs of RAM and 64 gigs of ROM variant, and 7,990 pesos for the 6 gigs of RAM and 128 gigs of ROM variant, all available on their official Lazada store. So, what do you guys think about this phone? Comment down below and share your thoughts. Also, don't forget to check out Unbox.ph for more awesome content. And remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And don't forget to hit that notification bell for more updates. Also, I'll see you guys every Friday 7 p.m. at the Unbox PH Facebook page where I stream different games on different phones. Once again, this was me, Elle, and I'll see you guys next time.